You know, I talk about my presentation of my work analysis of TB epidemic model with relapse and treatment. My team is my Sharp, Sutimen, Herdiana, Permatasari, and Heri Sulistyo. The motivation and objective are as follows. TB is a global disease problem causing mortality in the worldwide, including in Indonesia. Tuberculosis caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis that attacks the spine, kidney, brain, and then destroying the central nervous system and then the lymphatic system. Data from WHO 2018 reported the death of TB achieved 1.5 million people in 2018. The objective of the research is to construct a mathematical model of TB epidemic incorporating the effect of relapse and treatment for latent and treatment for infectious individuals. Then analyze the dynamical behavior of the model, that is the existency and stability equilibrium of the model. Dynamic model of TB epidemic with relapse and treatment can be given in the system below. There are 4 variable states: S for susceptible, A for exposed, I for infected, and R for recovery individual. There are 2 parameters, R1 and R2, represent for efficacy of treatment for exposed, and R2 is efficacy treatment for infected individuals. Analysis of the model. In the model, we find the 2 equilibrium point called disease-free equilibrium point noted by A0 and endemic equilibrium point noted by A star, and we define of the basic reproduction ratio noted by R0 like this. And for this, next we represent the theorem for disease-free equilibrium and endemic equilibrium point. For the disease-free equilibrium point, 0 is global asymptotically stable if A0 less than 1, and for endemic equilibrium point is globally asymptotic stable if A0 exceeds 1. For the simulation, we illustrate the effect of chemoprophylaxis treatment for exposed and therapy for infected individual. It can be seen that for the left picture, it's shown that the chemotherapy prophylaxis treatment is more effective in preventing the spread of TB epidemic compared to therapy. It can be seen that the increasing of efficacy level of chemoprophylaxis imply the increasing of susceptible individual and decreasing of infected individual. It can be concluded that chemoprophylaxis therapy is most significant in reducing the spread of TB epidemic. That's all. Thank you for your attention.